Bug-out bag survival backpacks are essential for emergency preparedness, offering a compact yet comprehensive solution for unforeseen situations. Equipped with survival gear, first aid supplies, and essential tools, these backpacks are designed to help you stay safe and self-sufficient when evacuating quickly. Combining practicality with durability, bug-out bags ensure you're ready for any crisis with everything you need in one ready-to-go pack. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 5. La Police Gear Operator Backpack is a high-performance, tactical backpack designed to meet the demands of professionals and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Crafted from durable 600D polyester, the backpack offers exceptional resilience against wear and tear, ensuring it withstands rigorous use in various environments. Its spacious main compartment, coupled with multiple internal pockets, provides ample storage for essential gear and equipment, while the front organizational panel keeps smaller items neatly arranged and easily accessible. The operator backpack features a padded laptop compartment that accommodates devices up to 15 inches, offering added protection for electronics during transit. The ergonomic design includes adjustable padded shoulder straps and a padded back panel, ensuring comfortable wear even during extended periods. Additionally, the backpack is equipped with MOLLE webbing on the front and sides, allowing users to customize their loadout by attaching compatible pouches and accessories. The reinforced grab handle and water-resistant base add versatility and durability, making the backpack suitable for a range of activities, from tactical operations to daily commutes. The top of the backpack features a dedicated sunglasses or small item pocket lined with soft fabric to prevent scratches. With its robust construction, thoughtful design features, and ample storage options, the LA Police Gear Operator Backpack stands out as a reliable and versatile choice for those seeking a rugged, well-organized backpack for both professional and recreational use. The number 4, Sog Scout 24 Pack, is a versatile and rugged backpack designed to meet the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, and everyday users seeking reliability and functionality. Constructed from durable 500D nylon, the Scout 24 offers exceptional strength and resilience, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures and daily wear. With a generous 24-liter capacity, this pack features a well-organized main compartment that provides ample space for gear and supplies, while additional pockets and compartments keep smaller items secure and accessible. The backpack includes a dedicated hydration reservoir sleeve and an integrated hose port, making it easy to stay hydrated on the go. Its adjustable padded shoulder straps and sternum strap are designed for comfort and stability, allowing for extended wear without discomfort. The pack's ergonomic design also includes a padded back panel with ventilation channels, enhancing airflow and reducing heat buildup during strenuous activities. For added versatility, the Scout 24 features MOLLE webbing on the front and sides, enabling users to customize their gear setup by attaching compatible pouches and accessories. The pack's water-resistant base and durable zippers ensure that contents remain protected from the elements. With its blend of durability, organization, and comfort, the Sog Scout 24 pack is a reliable choice for those who require a functional and well-built backpack for a variety of outdoor and everyday applications. Number 3. Maxpedition Advanced Gear Research IRONCLOUD Adventure Travel Bag is an expertly engineered piece of gear designed for the modern adventurer and tactical user who demands durability and versatility in their travel essentials. Crafted from rugged 1000D nylon with a water-resistant finish, the IRONCLOUD offers superior resilience and protection against the elements, making it ideal for harsh conditions and frequent use. This travel bag features a spacious main compartment with ample room for clothing, gear, or other essentials, while its multiple internal pockets and organizational compartments ensure that smaller items are kept orderly and accessible. The bag's innovative design includes a quick-access front pocket with a reinforced, padded laptop sleeve capable of accommodating devices up to 17 inches, providing secure storage for electronics on the move. For enhanced comfort, the IRONCLOUD is equipped with padded, adjustable shoulder straps and a removable padded hip belt, allowing users to customize their carrying experience based on preference and load. Additionally, the bag's dual zippers are lockable for added security, and the rugged handle and reinforced bottom add extra durability for handling and frequent travel. Molallo webbing on the front and sides provides the option to attach additional pouches and accessories, further expanding its functionality. With its combination of rugged construction, practical features, and versatility, the Maxpedition IRONCLOUD Adventure Travel Bag stands out as a reliable and high-performing choice for those who require a dependable companion for both adventure and everyday travel. Number 2. 5.11 Ignitor Backpack is a highly functional and durable tactical pack designed to meet the demands of both professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. Constructed from robust 1050D nylon, the Ignitor offers exceptional resilience and resistance to wear and tear, making it suitable for rigorous use in various environments. With a generous 24-liter capacity, the backpack features a spacious main compartment that provides ample room for essential gear, while a variety of internal and external pockets ensure organized storage of smaller items. The dedicated padded laptop compartment can accommodate devices up to 17 inches, offering secure protection for electronics. The Ignitor backpack is designed with comfort in mind, featuring adjustable padded shoulder straps and a breathable mesh back panel that enhances ventilation and reduces heat buildup. The bag's ergonomic design includes a padded, removable waist belt for additional support and stability, making it easier to carry heavier loads. Molallo webbing on the front and sides allows for customization with additional pouches and accessories, further enhancing its versatility. The backpack also includes a water-resistant base and durable IK zippers, ensuring protection against the elements and long-lasting functionality. Its quick-access pockets and organized compartments make it a practical choice for tactical operations, travel, or daily use. Combining durability, comfort, and practical design features, the 5.11 Ignitor backpack stands out as a reliable and versatile option for those seeking a high-performance tactical pack. Number 1. 5.11 All Hazards Nitro is a versatile and robust tactical backpack designed to meet the demanding needs of professionals and adventurers alike. Constructed from durable 1050D nylon, the Nitro provides excellent resistance to abrasions and environmental wear, ensuring it can withstand heavy use in various conditions. With a spacious 24-liter capacity, the backpack offers ample storage for essential gear, featuring a well-organized main compartment with multiple internal pockets to keep smaller items neatly arranged. The Nitro is equipped with a padded laptop sleeve that accommodates devices up to 15 inches, adding an extra layer of protection for electronics. Its ergonomic design includes adjustable padded shoulder straps and a ventilated mesh back panel that enhances comfort and breathability during extended wear. Additionally, the backpack features a removable padded waist belt that helps distribute weight evenly and improve stability, making it easier to carry heavy loads. The front of the Nitro is outfitted with Molallo webbing, allowing for the attachment of additional pouches and accessories, which enhances its customization and functionality. The bag also includes a water-resistant base and heavy-duty IK zippers, providing protection against the elements and ensuring long-lasting durability. Whether used for tactical operations, travel, or daily commutes, the 5.11 All Hazards Nitro combines practical design features with rugged construction to deliver a high-performance backpack that meets the needs of a wide range of users.